My name is Vanessa dos Santos. I am doing plumbing level 2 at Manchester College. I decided to return to education because COVID and all of that going on, all the bars and pubs are shutting, it's a lot of uncertainty, so I thought, following plumbing is something that's always going to be needed. I chose to do this particular course at Manchester College because there's a gap in the market for female plumbers, so I think that that's going to bring me a lot of work, in the future. As a female coming into, this work field, I thought it was going to be very challenging, but that was not the case. I was welcomed, with open arms, and all my colleagues are nice and, accepting. So the tutors helped us a lot, like returning back to education as adults by giving us coursework and making it a bit easier, explain the materials, give us loads of PowerPoints, so that would aid, the learning as you go along. My plans for the future would be just working in the plumber's industry, as a female and try to make it. The college offers they have a lot of contacts because they've been in the business for a long time, so they can put you through to apprenticeships and people working in the field, so you don't have to look very far. What I like most about the Manchester College would be the support that you get from everybody. Everybody's always very hands-on and trying to help you the best way they can. To me, the Manchester College means opportunity.